There's double S and double J. The single S is more like S in snake. S. But this double S is like sassy. Sassy, like stronger S. And J, just J and J. So S, J, J. They also sound at the same spot. So the difference depends on how much you squeeze the air. Now we have this double S and E. C. C. If it was just one S and E, then it's she. She. But double S and I, it's C. So she, C. Hear the difference? She, C. C means seed. And then we have double S and then it's S, S. And then D, A, Da, 쓰다. 쓰다 means writing. 쓰다. And we have this double J, which is J sound. J and E. G, G. And then G and E. 게. 찌개. 찌개. 찌개 means stew. If you're a fan of a Korean food, you might already tried kimchi jjigae or doenjang which is kimchi stew or soybean stew. So we studied this double G, double D, double B, double S, double J. G, D, B, S, J. Let's practice the words. The first one was 코끼리. 끼 sound. 코끼리 아니에요. 코끼리. Elephant. 꼬리. 꼬리 means tail. 허리띠. 허리띠 아니에요. 허리띠. 띠. 허리띠. Belt. 뜨다. 느다 아니에요. 뜨다. 뜨다. You have to squeeze the air here. 뜨다. Floating. 아빠. 아빠. Dad. 뿌리. Root. seed. C 달라요. C, seed, writing, 쓰다, writing, 찌개, stew. We only have 5 double consonants and we just finished studying them. Now we're going to double vowels.